In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a depreciation sub-account for an asset in QuickBooks Online. If you're managing your business finances, keeping your accounts organized is essential. QuickBooks Online makes it simple to track your assets and their depreciation over time. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to set up a depreciation sub-account so you can keep your fixed asset records clear and accurate. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you'll find a registration link in the description below to get started. All right, let's dive in. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. To do this, log into your QuickBooks account and head over to the left-hand toolbar. Scroll down and click on Accounting. From there, select Chart of Accounts. This is where all your accounts are listed and where we'll set up the new sub-account. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts, look for the New button in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that button. This will open up a window where you can create a new account. Now in the field labeled Name, type in the name of the account you want to create. For this tutorial, let's call it Depreciation. Make sure the name is clear and specific so you can easily recognize it later. Next, it's time to choose the account type. In the drop-down menu for account type, select Fixed Asset. This category is specifically designed for long-term assets like equipment, buildings, or vehicles. After that, you'll need to select the detail type. In the Detail Type drop-down, scroll down and choose Accumulated Depreciation. This detail type ensures that the account is categorized correctly in your financial reports. Now, there's an important step here. You'll see a checkbox labeled Make this a sub-account. Make sure to check that box. This tells QuickBooks that the account you're creating will be part of a parent account, which helps keep your chart of accounts more organized. Once you've checked the box, you'll need to select the parent account that corresponds to the fixed asset you're creating this sub-account for. For example, if this depreciation relates to a company vehicle, select the parent account associated with that vehicle. This step ensures the depreciation is linked directly to the appropriate asset. Finally, click on the Save button to finalize the creation of your depreciation sub-account. QuickBooks will automatically add it to your chart of accounts, and it will now appear as a sub-account under the parent account you selected. And that's it! You've successfully added a depreciation sub-account for an asset in QuickBooks Online. Keeping your accounts organized like this will make it easier to manage your financial records and track your assets over time. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.